Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing DoorDash as a whole in addition to their subscription service, which is called DashPass. Before I get started with this video, if you sign up with DoorDash using my link below, you will get $10 off your first 3 orders, assuming that you order over $15 worth of food. It is a referral link and DoorDash is not sponsoring this video. Okay, so what is DashPass? So for $9.99 per month, you get 0 delivery fees and reduced service fees on orders over $12 or $25 from any restaurant with the DashPass checkmark. So the DashPass checkmark is that little icon that looks like a D and a P, standing for DashPass. So on DoorDash here, you could see that Wawa to the right of it does have that DashPass icon scrolling. McDonald's has it, Taco Bell has it, Burger King has it, KFC has it, Dairy Queen has it, Arby's has it, but who eats at Arby's? CVS has it, 7-Eleven has it. Ooh, Chipotle also has it, which is pretty awesome. So I decided to use my free trial of DashPass and I placed 3 orders. So let's just keep in mind that DashPass costs about $10 a month just to get reduced fees, in addition to a $0 delivery fee on orders over $12 or $25 depending on the store. So my first order was at Wawa. I decided that I wanted a couple of frozen cappuccinos. However, it did not meet that minimum like $12 threshold. So I decided to add a cream-filled donut. So all in all, the balance came up to where I needed it to be. So as you can see there, the delivery fee would have been $2.99, but with DashPass, that number is subtracted and my service fee was cut in half, so it took off $1.72. However, there still is a service fee, but just because I had DashPass, it like cut it in half for this particular order. And of course, you have to pay tax in addition to the tip for the person bringing you your food. So I paid a $3 tip, and all in all, I paid $16.44 for 2 frozen cappuccinos and a donut. Okay, so I'm going to keep a running tally of how much I save per order as a result of having DashPass. So $2.99 plus $1.72. So at this point, I saved $4.71 just with this order. Okay, next I ordered from a Thai restaurant. So I decided to get a couple entrees in addition to an appetizer, and all in all, the subtotal came up to $40.97. So again, I got a $0 delivery fee. The delivery fee would have been $2.99, and I got $6.15 taken off my service fee, which is pretty fabulous. So again, it's saying here, reduced service fee 5% with DashPass. This service fee helps us operate DoorDash. So regardless of whether or not you have DashPass, you're going to have to pay some sort of service fee. So in this instance, I paid $2.05 for the service fee just to use DoorDash to place my order. And here I paid $2.58 in taxes, and I tipped my Dasher $7 to bring me my food, with the grand total of $52.60. So how much did I save from this order here? So for this order, I saved $9.14 in fees from just this one order. So if you make at least one order per month about this size, then you only have to place one order per month to make DashPass worth it, which is pretty awesome. So $9.14 plus $4.71 is $13.85 that I have saved in fees because I was using DashPass, which is pretty awesome. And they did happen to forget my rice for one of these orders, so I was actually issued a credit. I got issued a credit of $8.87, which is a phenomenal credit just because they forgot part of my order. And it wasn't a huge deal for me personally because I actually had rice available at home that I was able to make. A little inconvenient, but DoorDash decided to make it good for me, good for the customer, and refund me almost $9, which is awesome. Great service. Okay, here for my third and final order that I've made so far. I decided to get a couple mocha frappes and an egg McMuffin and a sausage egg McMuffin. All together, the total came out to $12.36. And again, I got $0 in delivery fees. It would have been about $2, and $1.24 was taken off of the service fee. And I only had to pay 62 cents for my service fee. I had to pay 78 cents in taxes, and obviously I used the credit that I received from my previous order, and I tipped my dasher $3.50, and out of my pocket I just had to pay $8.39. So for this order I saved $3.23 in fees, which is again really awesome. So combining $3.23 in the fees that I saved from this order with the total that I saved from my previous order. So all in all, I saved $17.08 in fees just because I had DashPass, which was pretty awesome. And again, I'm just using the DashPass free trial. And I gotta say, if you plan on using DoorDash on a pretty regular basis for larger orders, I would definitely recommend getting the DashPass. Again, DoorDash is not sponsoring this video whatsoever. The only way I would benefit is if you guys would sign up for DoorDash using my referral link, and you get $10 off your first 3 orders. So feel free to check that out. So all in all, I am really happy with DoorDash as a whole because all of my orders were picked up in very reasonable times. I placed the order and then it just kept notifying me, okay, hey, the restaurant is preparing your order. Hey, your dasher is on the way to pick up the order. And hey, your dasher is on the way to your house to drop off your food. And once the dasher drops off the food at your front porch, your front door, then you get another notification. Hey, your food is ready to be picked up. It's just right outside your front door and you don't have to leave your house. It's awesome. So another thing that's pretty cool that I forgot to mention in this video is when you order with DoorDash, I noticed that some restaurants really decide to secure your food by stapling the very top. As you can see, just when I ordered from McDonald's, they have their own paper delivery bags. In addition to, they did staple the top just to hopefully deter some people from messing with your food. Worked out for me because I've been working from home and we just decided to test out DoorDash for when Spath Jr. decides to come along, and it might be a viable option for us if we decide that we can't leave the house because we're taking care of the infant, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. How do you guys feel about DoorDash? Are you guys planning on using it? Have you already used it and had a negative experience? And let me know what you guys think overall. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.